Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today on a Wednesday. This video really links more into the blog post, so you'll probably want to check that out. The link will be in the down bar below. But I just want to talk to you about Sale-a-bration. And we are now into March, so we have only got a very limited time left with Sale-a-bration. It ends on the 31st of March, and it's fabulous. And I'm just so excited for these products, and what's in these books is so amazing, and the fact that you can earn them for free is just even better. So I just want to take you kind of quickly through the three parts of Sale-a-bration and what you get and what it's all about. So Sale-a-bration is a 3-month long promotion from Stampin' Up. It ends on the 31st of March, and I really want you to remember that date because I don't want you to miss out. There are 3 parts. This book launched on the 3rd of January. This one came to us the middle of February. I'm going to take you through them both. They show very similar things. We've got free stamp sets that are available for you to earn for free when you spend £45. Now, there are heaps of, there's 15 of these, I think. So we've got the Heartfelt Blooms. I've did a whole video on this one. I love that stamp set so much. There are card kits. There's that beautiful peacock that's gorgeous. This might be the most wished for, wanted set from this book, the Lots of Lavender. It's beautiful. I need to do some more cards of that because it's gorgeous. There's the shimmer ribbon. There are these, the Sweet Soiree Memories and More cardstock pack, which I actually have on my desk because I have a, if you check my blog out on a Thursday, you'll see that I'm doing something called Thoughtful Thursday, and I make projects that I'm either helping me with my anxiety and various other things, or I'm sending to people. And this was was part of my One Little Word album for February, and they're gorgeous. Look at all these cards, they're so pretty. Look at that. I love them, and they were completely free. All I did was have to spend £45 to get hold of these. And they're beautiful, and they coordinate with the Sweet Soiree stamp set and the designer series paper that's in the main catalogue, and heaps of other stuff, and they're beautiful. We've got the Epic Sale-a-bration stamp set. There's loads of fabulous things with that on Pinterest. The Bubbles and Fizz designer series paper, which I have if you're watching this bang as it goes live at 7 o'clock, I have a second blog post today which features this. That will go live at 10. For the Inspire Create Challenge. I heard there are these Tutti Frutti cards and envelopes which arrived with me in my craft room this week. They're so new to me that I haven't even taken them out of the packet yet. Let's do that actually. And these technically coordinate with the Tutti Frutti Suite, which is the one with all the, it's got fruits and things on the designer series paper, and there are some fabulous mini punches and things as well that are really pretty. I haven't got them. I really limited myself with this spring summer catalogue because I could have bought it all. It's beautiful, but oh my goodness, look at that. That is going to make amazing cards. Look at those. I'm going to have to do something with these. So you've got, oh, was it 16 cards and envelopes? And you've got 4 cards of each, 4 cards in a particular colour. And then 4 envelopes that match. Aren't they so cool? Love that. Free. Completely free when you spend £45. Totally awesome. Those pandas that nobody can get enough of. The amazing new stamp set. And then, also for £45, you could have the Epic Sale-a-bration stamp set. I've got my video next week features that. And the Springtime Foils paper that is just beautiful. Video was a couple of weeks ago on that one. Or if you're shopping and you're putting a big order in, you could, if you put more than £90 with him, you could choose the Celebrate You Thinlets, which are going to be in the next annual catalogue. Get them for free, you might as well. The Happy Wishes stamp set, love that. Or this, the Blossoming Basket Bundle, which is the stamp set I've got out because I've been making cards with it. And I'm not kidding you, this stamp here, I could stamp all day long. It's beautiful coloured with blends. I have been watercolouring with it. So I did this. Look at that. It's so pretty. I will put proper close-up pictures on my blog. Link, it will be in the down bar below. I've made a couple of cards with it. So that uses the, what's it called? Basket Weave Textured Impression Embossing Folder, which is also going to be in the next annual catalogue. And then this is a sneaky peek of the card that's coming on Friday. Look at that! Can you see all that? Oh, it's beautiful. Love that. So, they are your kind of Sale-a-bration free gift options. But that isn't where Sale-a-bration ends. Yes, it's great. We love getting free products. Love that. But there are more ways to get free products. The second way, and the one that might be one of, don't know which one's my favourite actually, can't pick, I love them all, is the host option. Now, this is traditionally designed for people that want to host a party. Now, I don't host parties, I'm sorry, I just have not got the time. Making videos and writing my blog and writing all those emails and everything else that I do takes up a lot of time. Plus my day job, can't fit a party in as well. Would love to, but just can't fit it in at the moment. However, you can get hostess rewards just by putting an order in. So, normally when you put an order in above £150, Stampin' Up will credit you with stamping rewards. They are 10% of your order. So if you put a £150 order in, you will get £15 of stamping rewards back to spend immediately in that order, but on anything you want. So there are hostess exclusive stamp sets, but you could spend it on anything. During Sale-a-bration, when you put a £200 order in, you get your 10% worth of stamping rewards, so that's £20 completely for free, plus Stampin' Up will give you an extra £20 worth of stamping rewards. So you put a £200 order in, you are immediately going to get £40 worth, at least £40 worth, back to spend on anything. So that is a £240 order for £200. I think that is a bargain. Simple as that. The third option that I just want people to, I'm going to shout about it for the next 3 weeks because this is just the greatest deal ever, is the joining option. Now, joining Stampin' Up I know can be quite a scary prospect. I'm well aware of that. But I really, really want you to consider this. The starter kit is £99. For that £99, you get to choose £130 worth of product from the annual or the spring-summer catalogue, or anything else you can find on the Stampin' Up website. If you want to pick stuff out the clearance rack, I think you can probably do that if you really want. I'm damn sure you can, because I think I put clearance rack stuff in my basket you can't go over £130, but trying to get that £130 can be a little bit tricky. So, £130 worth of product for 99 quid. One, great deal, free postage and packaging on it, awesome. Then it gets better, because you then get to choose another 2 stamp sets, completely for free, not out of these books, but out of the spring, summer or the annual catalogue. That could be a value of up to £90. So you've paid £99, you've got £130 worth of product, plus £90 worth of free stamp sets. Isn't that awesome? I think that's fantastic. Plus, once you've got all that home, 7 days later you can put another order in, and every subsequent order after that will be 20% discount. I could waffle about this one all day, and I have done in the past, I know I have, but 20% discount off fabulous products I think is awesome. You can then get more discount, so I currently get 25% discount off all of my Stampin' Up purchases because of the amount that I have spent and sold over the years. I don't want to pressure anybody into selling, because you really don't have to. As a demonstrator, yeah, we call you a demonstrator. You don't have to demonstrate anything. You don't have to blog, you don't have to do videos, you don't have to hold classes, you don't have to do anything. You can literally buy for yourself. All you have to do is spend £225-ish. It does vary a little bit with the exchange rate. Every 3 months. Now, that doesn't have to be one big order. You can put one big order in every 3 months. You could put little orders in. It's something I can't even. I need to work it out and break it down to what it is. It's about £75 a month. So you break that down. It's £35 a week, something like that. It's not a fortnight even. It's not. It's just. I can rabbit all day. Once you've got that starter kit, you get your 20% off. You get a free magazine. You get you get to join a fabulous group of like-minded crafters who all we want to do is talk about craft all day long. And we do. We have exclusive Facebook groups. We have events and meetups and just, fabulous, fabulous times. I am going to On Stage, which is a Stampin' Up event in April. And unfortunately, the booking is now completely closed because we are full. It is sold out, and it's sold out within 24 hours. Those events are amazing, and I would love, love, love for you to join me for the 30th anniversary one in November. That would be just so cool. I cannot wait for that. So I really would love you to consider joining Stampin' Up and becoming a part of my fabulous team of stamping friends. We are a small little team, but we are bigger, part of a much, much bigger team that are just as supportive and are just fabulous. I do heaps of things for my my team. We do a monthly Facebook live call with live crafting. We have a Facebook group and those things, and I do a regular email drop to them as well. The things that I do for my team are getting more and more as my team grows, so you come be a part of my team and we will grow and have fabulous times together. I would really, really, really encourage you to think about becoming a part of Stampin' Up during Sale-a-bration. If you want to check out a kind of sample starter kit, what your £130 might look like, do click over to my blog. There will be a link to a blog post that I've already written actually on there, so showing you exactly what you could pick for that £130. You could get a big shot, you know. I mean, you could get anything you want in the catalogue for that price. I would love to speak to you some more about this. So if you have any questions about becoming a part of Stampin' Up, drop me an email. My email address is stampinbyhannah@outlook.com. Oh, is it .co.uk? I can never remember. Click the go over to my blog and click contact me. It will come to me. I can guarantee it. Remembering my email address, no, not so much. Don't forget about your Stampin' Up Sale-a-bration rewards and the fabulous free products that you could choose. And I will see you again on Friday for a fabulous card tutorial. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye for now.